Meaning of gallantly.
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 Gallantly. The word gallantly is an adverb that describes the manner in which someone performs a courageous or heroic act. It implies bravery, chivalry, and nobility of character, especially in the face of adversity. To act gallantly means to do something with honor, courage, and selflessness, often putting others' needs before one's own. These actions can be both physical and emotional in nature, and are typically seen as commendable and admirable qualities. Overall, to behave gallantly is to act with dignity and honor, demonstrating a strong code of ethics and sense of personal integrity.